Hello, my name is Lee McCaig. I'm from the Silk Central support team. Today I'm going to be talking about how to apply a hotfix in Silk Central 17.0. So first of all, we look at the instance administration within Silk Central. As you can see, I have a list of instances here, and they're all version 17.0 currently. And what we intend to do today is just simply apply hotfix 1 for 17.0. So we go ahead by opening up the zip folder, and then running the executable for the hotfix 1. We run this and then it will bring up the hotfix install wizard, in which we can troubleshoot through that. So the install wizard just begins to unpackage, prepares to install it. We hit next, next. Now once this installs, it'll come up just saying, would you like to open up the README? Typically whenever we package a hotfix, all the READMEs are included, so you can see what defects were presented previously and what have been fixed in this iteration. So we'll just say yes, go ahead and open up the README, finish that, select Google Chrome just to display the README. As you can see here, list of defects been resolved. So again, we go back to the instance administration. It'll open up a new browser just to display that, but quickly I'm just going to refresh the page. As you can see, whenever I go to the version tab, I expand this and I can see that all the hotfixes have been applied to the instance administration panel. So I'm just going to quickly just go through installing this onto a specific instance. One thing to be aware of whenever you install a hotfix onto Silk Central from 17 onwards, it installs to the instance administration section. From here, you then have the freedom to apply that hotfix to whichever instance you prefer. That means to say that I can hotfix this first instance, and then the other two instances, German and then test, they will remain on the base version of 17.0 until I apply that additional hotfix. So very quickly, I'll just go into here. Go into the cog wheel, which is essentially the configuration. What I really should have done, and what you will do in production, is just delete this, and for the text on the maintenance page, for whenever you apply the hotfix, simply just enter stopping the service to apply the hotfix. Essentially what that does is, any user that attempts to access Silk Central while you're applying the hotfix, this will be presented as a prompt, just to say, the services are no longer active at the minute, we're currently installing a hotfix. And then just as proof of concept, I will select the URL for this instance. As you can see, stopping the server to install hotfix. Essentially, whenever a user tries to access that, that's the message they'll see. Once we've installed the hotfix, we then want to bring up the instance again. So we just take it out of maintenance mode, start the instance. Typically, whenever you install a hotfix, what can happen is, if development have had to update the schema with the hotfix, you will then be asked to re-enter the details of the database once again. So it'll take you actually to the system administration panel where the details are for the database. As you can see, it just brings up the Silk Central database. So we just simply enter the password, select connect to database, hit continue. Once that's been handled, we will then proceed to log into Silk Central. We just simply log in, just to verify that the hotfixes actually went through. We then select the help and about. For more information about our products and for more videos, follow the links at the end of the video or in the description below.